Just because I'm recording, that doesn't mean I'm going to talk extremely professionally. It's just that whatever I'm saying is going to get recorded in the lecture. Okay, so we are here to basically understand or learn physical VLSI design. Okay, now when we say physical VLSI design, the name is physical, focus is physical. So you're understanding physically how to put things together. That is the main aspect. Another thing about physical, they also say it is back end. I'll explain to you the difference between front end and back end as time progresses. Okay, let's jump into the contents of this course. Then we will get into what is front end, what is back end. बहुत time है front end और back end में difference समझने के लिए. Okay, so let's get our basics in order. So remember one thing, in my course, I will never expect you to memorize a formula. I myself, I don't memorize formulas. Conceptually, you need to understand this impacts this, that impacts that. That is very important. If there is a formula which is coming in the exam, I will write the formula on the question paper and give it to you. My aim is for you to understand how to apply that formula. All right. So remember one thing, you don't have to memorize formulas. Okay. Now, if I look at a typical MOS device, very basic MOS device, for that I need a silicon substrate, yes or no? Substrate matlab base. Correct? Okay, by the way, if I use a terminology which you've never heard before, suppose for any reason, raise your hand, stop me right then and there. Do we have that understanding? Because I know that term, but I need to make sure you guys also know that term. Okay. So what is the meaning of substrate? Substrate means base, like a silicon chip. Think that you're building a building. You're making a building. That's the way a chip is structured. Okay. Now, so you have silicon substrate. Silicon is an inert element. No, it's not. Inert is different. Just everything I say is not correct. Remember that. It's a semiconductor. Inert means was gumshuda ki talash. Inert will neither take nor give. Silicon is a semiconductor. Enough electrons to do something with it, but just enough that you can't do much with it. You understood that, na? So, you need to give it some impetus. Impetus matlab you have to dope it. Don't get any other ideas. I'm saying you have to dope it. Basically, you're supposed to put some impurities in it that it either becomes a slightly better conductor or it becomes a slightly not so better conductor. Understood? So you have acceptor, you understand acceptor and donors? Acceptor impurities and donor impurities. So, and acceptor impurity will make the substrate what type? Acceptor आके खाना खाके चला जाएगा. So silicon will have less electrons, correct? So it will become P type. If you have donor बोलता है I want to come and give. Correct? Yes or no? Donor says I want to come and give. Are you able to follow? So okay. So there are acceptors and then donors will come and give you extra electrons so that then you become N type. Sorry. N type. All right. Now in P and N also there are some different levels. बहुत सारा डोनर डाला तो N से बनेगा N प्लस. ज्यादा डोनर नहीं डाला, कम डाला N minus. Same with P. Correct? Are you following? Yes or no? Now, what is the impact of this? Let's understand this. N plus is like a khajana of electrons. मतलब वहां से you can actually give a lot of electrons. Yes or no? P plus can give a lot of holes. typically understanding holes are difficult compared to electrons because it is counterintuitive. मतलब एक electrons बराबर से physically पता है, but understanding that a hole is the absence of an electron is a little. The easiest way to understand is a hole is a deficiency of an electron. मतलब अगर n plus is अमीरी, then p plus is गरीबी. But garibi is amiri in its own self. It's only a matter of viewing it, right? One man's terrorist is another man's freedom fighter. You see what I'm saying? So, have a clear understanding between P plus and N plus, or P and N. Basically, that's what it is. Now comes the main aspect of why we need P plus and N plus. So, let's say I have a P-type substrate. What type? P-type. P-type मतलब मैंने acceptor डाला उसमें. I have made it acceptor. In that, I first deposit a thin layer of oxide. How I make it, how that thing is made, I will give you a very nice video. I have a video, I'm going to give it to you. Share it with everybody. Watch it. This is one of your homeworks for Friday, is to watch those 2 videos and come. पूरा चिट्ठा clear हो जाएगा as to how a actual chip is fabricated. Okay. So first comes a layer of oxide. Okay. Then on top of that comes a layer of, anybody can help me? Nope. Polysilicon. Photoresist is used during the manufacturing process. That the reason why I am not doing that is because I have this excellent video that will explain everything to you. I don't like to match something that can do something better than me. It's excellent. You'll see that video. It's made at Intel by at Stanford. It is actually shot. The video is made in Intel long time ago. If they are able to tell you how it's made, you think I can do a good job? No. So, but oxide basically forms what? Do you know what it forms? Insulation. In capacitance terms, you know what that is called? Dielectric. Very good. It forms your dielectric. See, what is the aim? Why was this structure even made? You want to be able to control the behavior of the device, na? Finally, what is our aim? Our aim is to implement logic, yes or no? Our aim is to implement logic. So, to build logic, you should be able to control it. Na, agar nahi hua to fir aisa hona chahiye na. The easiest way to understand logic is if-else. So, to any sort of if-else means what? If-else is equal to control, yes or no? So, at the fundamental level, the device must be controllable. समझ में आ रहा है, yes or no? At fundamental level, जो भी मैं device बना रहा हूँ, अगर वो device से logic बनना चाहिए, तो that device itself should be controllable. Correct, yes or no? Last bench, you able to follow? Correct? So, that is why we need such that if there is voltage applied here, I should be able to control the behavior of my device. Correct, yes or no? Achha. Now let's take an example. Suppose DJ Sangvi के अंदर free pizza बांट रहा है, मतलब whatever, Pizza Hut, Domino's, जो भी free pizza बट रहा है, बाहर एक बहुत बड़ा झुंड लगेगा, yes or no? Correct? Suppose बहुत बड़ा झुंड लगा के रखा है बाहर. You understand the magnitude of people that will come? मिठी भाई वाला public भी आ जाएगा इधर. Correct, yes or no? So, then imagine the concept. They come at the gate, खड़े, gate बंद है, watchman is keeping the gate closed. Gate खुला, but खबर आई कि पिज्जा खत्म हो गया. Will you all come inside? Gate खुला, but खबर आई कि पिज्जा खत्म हो गया. तो मैंने गेट तो ओपन कर दिया, but if there is no second factor to pull you in, will you come in? Similarly, even if I can control the behavior of this gate, I need pizza on one side and students on the other side to bring them in, yes or no? Outside the gate, मतलब जो गेट के बाहर जो बच्चे लोग खड़े, That area is called the source. And DJ Sangvi, that is taking in the students for the pizza, that is called the drain. सिर्फ गेट खोलने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, इंसेंटिव चाहिए. करेक्ट? यस और नो? What is that incentive? You have to apply a source voltage, you have to apply a drain voltage, so that then you can have some activity across the channel. See, I'm selecting my words very carefully. Some activity. Correct? ये अभी वॉचमैन के हाथ में, yes or no? करेक्ट? फिर तुम लोग क्या करेगा? कैलकुलेट करेगा, पिज्जा 250 रुपए का आता है, मैं अगर वॉचमैन को 50 रुपए खिला देता हूँ फिर भी मेरे को 50 रुपए में बड़ा पिज्जा खाने को मिलेगा. यस और नो? दैट इज यू इंसेंटिवाइजिंग द गेट वोल्टेज. करेक्ट? यस और नो? तो धीरे ऐसा थोड़ा गेट खुला, तुम लोग गिल को ऐसा मेरे को अंदर जाने देना, मैं अंदर जाने देना. यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? But understand it from electronic perspective. Why do you need this? Why did somebody design a MOS to be like this? See, understand this. I can tell you, ये MOS है, ये ऐसा चलता है, हो गया, बात खत्म. But you have to understand that first, I should be able to control some sort of gating mechanism. Gating मतलब gate open, gate close. That is the first concept. Second, across the gate, please understand, across the gate also I need some control. Understood? Yes or no? I'll repeat. First is a gating mechanism. Either gate is open or gate is closed, or gate is more open or gate is less open. That is one degree of freedom. You understand? 1 degree of freedom? Last bench, you are able to follow? That is 1 degree of freedom or 1 degree of control. Freedom from another angle is control as well. So let's say it's 1 degree of control. Another degree of control is, let's say one gate is open. Let me say gate थोड़ा खुला, बहुत सारा फ्री पिज्जा है, बहुत सारा स्टूडेंट वो छोटे गेट से फोर्स से जाएगा. yes or no? Correct? So the amount of activity across this channel will also depend upon your drain to source voltage. Yes or no? Will also depend on your drain to source voltage. Yes? So what are your two major factors? One is your gate voltage itself, VG. That will, see, because why? When I put gate voltage, let me say that this is N plus, N plus. I'm explaining, so N plus हो गया, तो कौन सा MOS हो गया ये? NMOS. MOS stands for metal oxide semiconductor. सबसे ऊपर इधर मेटल कनेक्शन आएगा, उसके नीचे ऑक्साइड, उसके नीचे सेमीकंडक्टर. Are you guys with me till here? Okay. So now, check, okay. So now, more important is that when I apply a gate voltage, let's say VG is first equal to 0 volts. When it is 0, will there be any activity coming from down? 0 volts is basically, will it attract electrons or will it repel electrons? It will repel electrons. It's ground, na? 0 volts is what? Ground. Ground attracts electrons or repels? Ground will always take current. Taking current मतलब giving electrons. समझ में आया ना? Taking current मतलब giving electrons. मैं अभी तक ओम्स लॉ को तो समझाने वाला हूँ, especially for the biomed guys. You guys need, well, they are as bad as you, no problem, in terms of Ohm's law, but Ohm's law is the fundamental basis of everything. Correct. Thank him, love him, hate him. But today, everything works fundamentally. One of the fundamental laws is Ohm's law. Okay. See, but suppose now I increase gate voltage. थोड़ा बढ़ाया, पॉजिटिव किया, मतलब क्या? थोड़ा गेट खुला तो एक दो स्टूडेंट भागना चालू? नॉट येट. देखना पड़ेगा ना पिज्जा है कि नहीं. करेक्ट. सो few electrons will start moving towards the channel. Yes or no? Because it's a positive voltage, so it will start attracting some electrons. Yes or no? Correct. So now there are some electrons available. Think of your electrons as the pizza, or the amount of students that can go through. Sorry, not the pizza, it's the amount of students that can go through the gate. All right. Now I apply some drain to source voltage. Now I apply some drain to source voltage. That actually is your pizza. एक पिज्जा दिखा, स्टूडेंट भाग के आएगा कि चल के आएगा? चल के आएगा. 10 पिज्जा लगा दिया तो 5 स्टूडेंट जो आ सकता है एकदम भाग के आएंगे. So the speed at which that student will run, those electrons, the speed at which that student will run, are you able to follow me? Yes or no? The speed at which the student will run depends on the amount of pizza. That pizza is basically the amount of voltage applied. Speed at which student moves. Student is electron in our case, yes or no? Speed at which electron moves is called what? Current. Rate of flow of charge, na? Rate of flow of charge is called current. Hence current will increase. Logic समझ में आया? See, you need 2 degrees of control. One is how much the gate will open, so how many students can pass. Then at what speed that student should pass, that is another level of control. Yes or no? Correct. That is your drain to source voltage. Understood? Yes or no? Those are the 2 fundamental degrees of control. अभी एक क्वेश्चन है, मैंने गेट को सिर्फ थोड़ा खोला और बहुत सारा पिज्जा लगाया, फिर भी ओनली अ फिक्स नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स विल बी एबल टू रन थ्रू दैट ना? यस और नो? करेक्ट. मैंने गेट को थोड़ा ही खोला तो लेट्स से एट अ टाइम ओनली 2 स्टूडेंट्स कैन पास. बहुत सारा पिज्जा रखा लेकिन स्पीड में भी सिर्फ 2 ही आते रहेंगे ना? यस और नो? गेट को थोड़ा और खोला, पिज्जा बहुत सारा रखा तो 3 एट अ टाइम भागेंगे. करेक्ट. Yes or no? So, as your gate opens, the current will also increase. Yes or no? So, current depends on 2 things. How much the gate is open and how much pizza is there. Correct? Yes or no? There are 2 factors. Gate अगर बहुत ज़्यादा खुला रहेगा, more students will run through. So, effective speed at which the total number of students are moving is more, na? Total charge upon total time taken is more. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. dq by dt. So more charge is moving, na? So more current. More students are moving, even though they are moving in the same line, but effectively more charge is being transferred, na? Barabar? Yes or no? Everybody is following me? So 2 factors: gate khulna and amount of pizza. In essence, your gate voltage and your drain to source voltage together will control your current. Finally, everything, never think electronics in terms of voltage. तुम लोग को BEE से सब लोग voltage के एंगल से सिखाते आ रहा है. Correct? Yes or no? You think in terms of current. You think in terms of current from today onwards. Because thinking in terms of current is the most difficult. I'll explain to you now. Yahan tak clear? Yes or no? Why do we have a device structure like this? That is very important. Is that understood? Yes or no? That ये ऐसा device बनाया क्यों ऐसा सोचा किसी ने? Because I need 2 degrees of control. One is the amount that I can populate in the channel, the amount of carriers. You understand carriers? Carrier could be electron, could be hole. The amount I am populating in the channel and the amount I am moving across the channel. What I am moving across the channel is your actual current, na? बहुत सारा population रहेगा तो और ज़्यादा current will be flowing. Correct? Yes or no? Understood? Correct? Yes or no? Okay. Now please understand how do things travel across the channel. Please understand this. Okay, are you guys able to follow me? Yes or no? Every point? I cannot afford you to not understand even one single point. So again, if you can't understand, ask me to repeat. Please, I'm requesting you. Okay guys? If you can't understand, ask me to repeat. Now, suppose that I assume gate voltage is there. Assume that gate voltage is there. Okay? बिना गेट वोल्टेज कुछ नहीं होने वाला. जब तक गेट खुलेगा नहीं तब तक कुछ आगे पीछे जा नहीं सकता है, वो अज्यूम करके चलो कि गेट हर वक्त रहेगा. Okay? Suppose now I connect this to a negative volt, negative as in ground, okay? And this is a positive voltage, drain. See, drain and source na is a matter of perspective. Today in your same device, drain can become source and source can become drain. Remember that. Why is source called a source? You know that? Listen to me, the terminal which supplies majority carriers, the terminal which supplies is called the source. That's why it's called source, because source se aata hai, correct? Yes or no? Understood? The terminal which supplies, that is, it could be any, na? Could be this one, that one. Both have N plus in them, correct? Yes or no? Understand this, both have N plus. N plus matlab kya? Majority of electrons. In PMOS you will have majority of holes. Okay, let's take it a step back. Okay, so in a PMOS you have majority of electrons, in NMOS you have majority of holes. Okay, one person has to give, one person has to take, as I told you. मतलब एक तो DJ Sanghvi के वो side of the gate, एक DJ Sanghvi itself. Correct? Yes or no? जिधर स्टूडेंट अंदर आ रहा है, वी कॉल दैट द ड्रेन. स्टूडेंट बाहर से आ रहा है ना, डीजे संघवी पिज्जा सप्लाई कर रहा है. पिज्जा इज जस्ट टू अट्रैक्ट द स्टूडेंट ना. यस और नो? सो द टर्मिनल दैट अट्रैक्ट्स द मेजॉरिटी कैरियर्स, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, द टर्मिनल दैट अट्रैक्ट्स द मेजॉरिटी कैरियर्स इज द ड्रेन. इट्स ड्रेनिंग इट ना. अंडरस्टूड? यस और नो? इट्स ड्रेनिंग इट. On the other side, the person giving it, the terminal giving it is called the source. Is this point understood? Why is source called source and why is drain called drain? Everybody? 100%? Okay. Now, why am I trying to explain this to you is, you need to understand this device level पे क्या हो रहा है. क्योंकि यहां से लेके ऊपर तक पूरा समझने का जिम्मेदारी तुम लोग का है. As I told you, first 2 weeks will be a little tricky. I'll go very slow, no problem. Are you able to follow me? Yes or no? Everybody? Okay. Now, what happens is, I apply some gate voltage, VG. Okay? So, I have electrons that are populated here. Correct? Yes or no? अभी तक मैंने ड्रेन टू सोर्स वोल्टेज अप्लाई ही नहीं किया है. अज्यूम मैंने नहीं किया, खाली गेट खोल के रखा है. पिज्जा का अभी तक न्यूज नहीं आया. ओके? एक पिज्जा आया, मतलब स्मॉल ड्रेन वोल्टेज, वेरी स्मॉल. व्हाट विल हैपन? वन इलेक्ट्रॉन विल कम हियर, दिस वन विल गो हियर, ऐसे 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 स्टार्ट मूविंग. करेक्ट? यस और नो? सी, इलेक्ट्रॉन मूवमेंट इज नॉट द सेम इलेक्ट्रॉन रनिंग. It is one displacing the other, one displacing the other. That's how electrons move. I hope everybody is familiar with that. Correct? Yes or no? So that's how electron moves. So it starts moving. लेकिन क्या मैं बोला धीरे से जाएगा स्टूडेंट. Yes or no? I crank up the drain voltage. थोड़ा बढ़ा है, मतलब पिज्जा का क्वांटिटी बढ़ा है, मतलब द न्यूज की पिज्जा का क्वांटिटी बढ़ा है. इट्स नॉट इवन एक्चुअली पिज्जा का क्वांटिटी बढ़ा है कि नहीं, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. जस्ट द न्यूज. करेक्ट? उस पे पब्लिक भागेगा. द स्पीड विल इंक्रीज. यस और नो? करेक्ट? नाउ लिसन टू मी. द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अराइविंग हियर, द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अराइविंग हियर पर यूनिट टाइम विल इंक्रीज. यस और नो? बेसिकली क्या होता है, इधर आएगा, द मिनट ही इज क्लोज, जुप घुस जाएगा अंदर. That's how it is. Correct? So, I keep on increasing the drain voltage. Correct? I keep on, listen to my statement very carefully, I keep on increasing the drain voltage. So, what do you think? गेट के तरफ अपना जो डीजे सांगवी के गेट के बाहर ज्यादा बच्चे दिखेंगे कि पिज्जा के काउंटर के बाजू में ज्यादा बच्चे दिखेंगे? वो साइड ज्यादा डिमांड है, मतलब देर अभी तक तो बच्चे आ गए ना अंदर, पिज्जा लेके घुस गए अंदर, करेक्ट? यस और नो? अंडरस्टूड? सो understand the concept very okay. Forget this last example that I gave you about the pizza wala. This one small last 2 minutes cancel out. I'll re-explain. Last two bad example cancel. Okay, I'll refresh. So I'm saying the electron will come here and it gets sucked in. The more the voltage, the faster it will get sucked in. Yes or no? The more the voltage, the faster it will get sucked in. So if you look at the electron density, the number of electrons per unit area, it will look more like this. It will look more like this. कि इधर ज़्यादा है, there are more electrons here versus, rather let me draw it a little better. It look like this. Because the closer they are to the drain is sucking them inside. Yes or no? Correct? Understood? Yes or no? स्टार्टिंग में कैसा रहेगा? स्टार्टिंग में इट विल स्टार्ट लाइक दिस, एवरी आराम से सब लोग जा रहे हैं, आराम से सब लोग जा रहे हैं. जैसे मैंने वोल्टेज बढ़ाया, जिधर पास है जुप घुस गया अंदर, जैसे अंदर आया घुस गया अंदर. करेक्ट? यस और नो? इज दिस बिलीवेबल? यस और नो? करेक्ट? सो थिंक ऑफ वैक्यूम क्लीनर चलाया है कभी? देखा तो रहेगा वैक्यूम क्लीनर. सो द मिनट दैट कचरा कम्स क्लोज टू इट, वैसे इट विल कम स्लोली स्लोली स्लोली, सब घुस जाएगा अंदर. अगर if you keep at one optimum distance, it will come at a regular speed. Correct? Yes or no? I don't know. I was very curious as a child, so I used to play with it. But same concept. That now if I increase the force of the vacuum cleaner, the suction capability, the closer it comes, the faster it gets pulled, the faster. Please understand, velocity of that dirt being pulled into the vacuum cleaner is faster. Yes or no? Think of your drain as a vacuum cleaner. Think of your drain as a vacuum cleaner. Why am I explaining this to you? Very important is, as I increase my drain voltage, starting में your channel looks like this. Then it starts looking like this. Then it starts looking like this. Correct? Yes or no? Because as I'm increasing my drain voltage, that suction capacity is increasing, na? Yes or no? Everybody is agreeing? So do you agree that your effective channel length is reducing? Your effective channel length, pehle average channel length was up till here, then your average channel length was up till here. Average, please understand average. मतलब average calc. Finally, your average channel length is up till here. Correct? Yes or no? That concept is called as channel length modulation. Modulation सबको समझ में आता है? PWM था ना, pulse width modulation, वो सब. What is the concept of the meaning of the word modulation? To be able to control or vary. Control, vary, modulate, मतलब same thing. Everybody understands? So, effectively, because of your drain voltage, तुम लोग कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो. It's a by product. ऐसा होगा ही. मैंने अगर वो वैक्यूम क्लीनर का सक्शन कैपेसिटी बढ़ा दिया तो जोर से खींचने वाला है. यू कैंट से भाई ये कचरे को बराबर से जोर से मत खींच, इसको धीरे से खींच. कैन यू, डू यू हैव सच एन इंटेलिजेंट दिस? नॉट येट. अंधाधुंधी है, एक बार खींचना चालू तो खींचना चालू. इट कुड बी योर हैंड एज वेल. करेक्ट? सो this concept is very important. This is called channel length modulation. अभी क्या है कि ये spot आ गया ना इधर, this spot where it cannot go smaller than this. Look here. Once your channel length cannot go smaller than this, that thing is called as, anybody? It's called as pinch off. मतलब क्या है? Remember, very important point. Pinch off पे करंट बंद हो जाएगा क्या? नहीं, मतलब उधर तक आ रहा है, घुस जा रहा है. यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट करंट इज स्टिल फ्लोइंग. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? that my effective channel length is reducing. First, let me ask you all a question. Did you understand what is channel length modulation? That effectively my channel length is reducing, correct? But that doesn't mean the current is not flowing. अब उधर क्या है, आ रहा है घुस गया अंदर, आ रहा है घुस गया अंदर, अभी उसके बाद उधर जो भी आएगा घुस जाएगा. Means the rate at which you are supplying and you are consuming, that is going to saturate. उससे fast you can't suck them in. Understood? Yes or no? Once pinch off occurs, that step is called as pinch off. Did you all understand what is pinch off? First, what is channel length modulation? उसके आगे आया pinch off. Correct? Once you know what is pinch off, okay, then what happens? Current saturates. Current saturates. Saturate मतलब उसके आगे current बढ़ेगा नहीं. Why? Why? Answer is why. What is current? dq by dt. Correct? उस मतलब इसके आगे और स्पीड से नहीं आने वाला है. जब स्पीड सेट हो गया मतलब करंट भी सेट हो गया. करेक्ट? यस और नो? स्पीड सेट हो गया, करंट सेट हो गया, मतलब करंट सैचुरेट. अंडरस्टूड? यस और नो? यस. Channel length will never, the channel length can never become zero. Channel length becomes zero means that's a short. Pinch off means what? Why is it called pinch off? That now the channel length, okay, the effective channel length cannot reduce more than this. It doesn't become zero, it becomes minimum. Big difference between minimum and zero. Understood that? That the channel length is minimum. Good question. Okay, clear? Understood? Yes or no? समझ में आया? ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. करंट सैचुरेटिंग. वेरी गुड पॉइंट. खींचते रहेगा मतलब वो ट्राई करेगा लेकिन उससे ज्यादा तो आने नहीं वाला है. इट विल स्लोली इंक्रीज अ लिटिल बिट. Okay, so let's draw a graph to explain this to you. I was about to draw it. Good question. VDS ulta, sorry. This is VDS, this is I, current ID, IDS to be more specific. So now the thing is, no, there is just ID. Okay, now the thing is, as I increase VDS, first it will increase linearly. It will increase linearly, then it will slowly start saturating, but it will not completely saturate. Flat नहीं होगा, थोड़ा ऐसे धीरे बढ़ेगा. I'll get down to what you are asking. But this is for one particular gate voltage. For another gate voltage, if I increase the gate voltage, the amount of current will increase like this. Agreed ना? क्योंकि gate अगर ज़्यादा खुला रहेगा, the per unit time students passing will be more ना? Yes or no? Correct? More gate voltage means मैंने substrate से ज़्यादा electrons ऊपर बुलाया है. Correct? Yes or no? Channel में. See, I'm with my gate voltage from here. From my gate voltage here, I am pulling up more electrons. Correct? Yes or no? The more the gate voltage, the more guys that are here, the more the guys that are here, the per unit time guys getting sucked into here are also more, na? So current will be more. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. So for, let's say this is VG1 and this is VG2. In this case, VG2 will be greater than VG1. Everybody follows? I know it's basics. Let's get our basics right. Then advanced तो सब लोग तोप मार सकते हैं, कोई problem नहीं है. I told you today's focus is purely on basics. वो एक बार समझ में आ गया तो फिर game over. Okay. Everybody understood? Did you understand? All here? Okay. See, why is this? Now I'll come to your question. You'll keep pulling. After certain time, the junction will be like, भाई छोड़, जिसको पिज्जा लेने का आके लो, मैं सब लोग गए डूब मरा. No, डूब मरने. The junction will break and then you will have breakdown. at that time you can kiss your device goodbye. क्योंकि see you're trying to pull finally मतलब gate everything building सब टूट जाएगा ना. Correct, yes or no? पिज्जा का काउंटर भी टूट जाएगा. So that is breakdown. Same with a zener, मतलब diode. When you try and put more bias across the diode, it will finally break down. Correct, yes or no? Zener diodes actually thrive on breakdown. That's a different story. But diodes, मतलब same thing ना. What is this? This is basically a diode only ना. P and N. Correct, yes or no? It's a diode. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. All right, guys. Followed? समझ में आया? Basics of device. Okay, we'll take first break here.